Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to Encik Adam. So, how are you today?
Waalaikumsalam. I'm fine today. Thank you.
So, are you feeling nervous right now?
Uh, I try to control my nervous right now. So,
Okay. Okay. So, before we start, before we start, please tell me about yourself first.
okay. Bismillah. First and foremost, my name is Adam Dirishman Ahmad. I'm the graduate holder of Bachelor of Accounting from USIM, University Science Islam Malaysia. I'm the eldest from four siblings. My parents work as technician and lecturer both in Malacca, and I live also in Malacca in Semabo, near Bandar Hilir.
Oh, okay. So, okay. The first question is okay. What is your strength? Biggest strength?
The biggest strength that I have is when I communicate with the people. As in my resume, I work as cashier and food attendant in one of the fuel station in Malacca. So when I communicate with the people, I think I can practice my communication skills from how I manage or communicate from local person or same ethnicity. Like I'm Malay, so how I communicate with Malay or Chinese or Indian or international international people. Like I have before French and Chinese from original Chinese person. So I think it's my biggest strength and it will help you when you can give me an opportunity to work in your company.
Hmm. Okay. Quite interesting. Okay. For the next question is okay. What motivates you in your life?
I think what is motivate me in my life is when how people treat me well. So in our daily life, we can see much people with much much capability or trait like kind or good, generosity, and many more. So the thing that I want to highlight is kind. Kind of what is kind when helping someone. So when the people came to me and face my problem, then they share their tip or help me to solve the problem. I think it's very helpful to me and I'm very thankful, grateful, and appreciate about the help that have you given. So at the moment, I think, how can I keep this happy feeling alone? So I think I should share my happy feeling to other people. So when if you can give me an opportunity to work with you, I will use the opportunity to help people and be kind to the people, to the customer or anyone. And when I helping people, they feel happy, feel grateful, and appreciate. And the happy feeling can make me so happy.
Hmm.
So if win-win situation to us.
Hmm. Okay. So next question is: imagine you are in a difficult situation. So how do you handle it? Oh,
Okay. Okay, from my experience, when I work as cashier or in food attendants, of course we cannot run from the problem. Like when we being a cashier, how we want to manage all the things that happen daily life at the fuel station. So if I face many problem, I think first and foremost, I cannot rush. I cannot be rushing for the problem. If I be rushing to the problem, I will finish so I will finish the solution that I can make, the approach that I can have to overcome the problem. I can do all that, but it will show the not good actually, not good or maybe a bad result from the problem. So first and foremost, I will think about the 5W1H approach, that like what the problem, why the problem happened, when the problem that I think should be done or something, and when I close to the when I close to the approach, I think it's really helpful to me that like how can I approach the way to solve the problem. Like I will do this or I will do that. So if I do this, what the implication or what the impact when I approach the way, the solution. So I will consider all of that, and cannot be apa, like we should remember in our life when we have the problem, which should depend to our person around us, like friends, family, and many more. So the team of supportive men is very important to help us solve the problem. If we at the workplace, the college, our college or our manager, we can use them uh to take the solution or suggestion from them to help our problem be done, be successful, organized to solve the problem like that.
Okay. So let's move on to the final question. So why we should hire you?
Okay. From the story that I share to you, I'm I'm an expert actually. I'm an expert in communication skill. I'm problem solver. So I think many company in the world as well of your company need the people that can give the good experience on how manage the people, how manage the problem, how they give how they can give this suggestion to overcome the problem, as well as to maintain the company and grow as fast as possible and successfully maintain at this stage right now. So with the experience and the strengths that I have, I think you should hire me because it will help you in the future of the company.
Okay. Quite interesting. Okay. Thank you for the interview. Okay. Maybe I will look out for your resume later, and if we wanted to hire you, inshallah, in the future, maybe we will call you as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.